Hi, this is Steve here from the AI Marketing School, and in this video I'm going to show you how I fully optimized our about page, including creating all of these images and the text that goes alongside it for our school community. And I did all of this using Manus AI. I didn't actually go onto the platform or create any of these images or type any of this text myself. It was all done inside of Manus. So Manus can actually take over your browser and act as a full AI agent as opposed to just being an LLM. And what that means is you can get it to create images and create text and actually update it directly onto the platform. So in order to do this, the first thing I did is I went onto the school discovery page where it shows you all of the best school communities, and I essentially just selected all of the best AI based platforms or school groups. And I already had a number of images here, but they wasn't quite as good as this. They were using this similar color scheme. So what I did is I went in here and I've asked Manus to actually create a full brief for everything that we want to have included, such as a full briefing for every single one of the images. You can see here all of these are a detailed brief for exactly what should be included in each image, and this goes on for the text as well. So the goal was to create a fully optimized version of the text and the images, 6 images here, the short description here, and this is based on what is working best on all of the other schools. Of course, we're not just going to copy what they have in their school descriptions, as they are ultimately on a different topic, but we want to try and take the format for what works well. So typically you'll find they do have 6 well built out images with different features for each image. They've got clear call to actions within them, and again the descriptions often follow a similar layout. So whilst we don't want to copy anyone else, we want to model what works and use AI to our advantage. So you can see here I copied all of this in, told it what to do, gave it the brief for all of the images and the text, and then it's gone ahead here and actually started creating the images. And you can see it as it goes. It's created image 1, image 2, image 3, and these are all done, I believe these were in Nano Banana, which is Gemini's AI model for creating images. However, it is ultimately all done within Manus. So you can see here it come up with the 6 images. I was actually happy with those. So what I wanted it to do was to actually connect directly to our school group here. There was a little bit of backwards and forwards because I had to log in for it to actually work. And then I've done this very quickly in about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. I created this brief and I actually had to leave the house, and it done this whilst I was out. So by the time I got home, you can see it's been doing all the work here, and it gave me a tick list of everything that's done, all the images, and they were live and they looked great. So I didn't actually have to go onto school at all to create these. I didn't create these images myself. I didn't even create the briefs for them. It was all based on everything it knows about our business and what works well in other similar school groups. So it designed the images and the text, and then it actually uploaded it all for me. So the amount of work that I had to do was minimal, and there's where you can see the benefit from working with AI is it can actually do a better job and save you time. I did notice that our banner hadn't been updated. It still had an old version, so I asked it to create a new version of that, and here are the 2 options that it came with. I went with this option, and then it actually uploaded it for me. So you can see that was all done, probably 5 to 10 minutes of my time initially, with a bit of research backwards and forwards, maybe another 5 minutes to publish it. Less than that, 10 to 15 minutes for me to get 6 images, all well optimized for the school platform, and a well written description. And the beauty of it is I'm not a professional copywriter, I'm definitely not a designer, so it's going to do a better job than I did in less time. So if you have any questions on how you can do that, it doesn't have to be for a school group, could be for your website, your advertising or otherwise, come into the AI marketing group. I'm here, I answer questions every single day, and I'll be here to help you with anything you need. So if you have a question, come in, write a post, send me a message, and we'll be pleased to help.